This is a Lego Tim Hortons Timbit machine. It's able to dispense, sprinkle, and serve a freshly made Timbit, all on a 16 by 24 base plate without using any motors. But before we begin, let's set the machine up. This machine holds 2 donuts and enough sprinkles to cover both of them. To avoid messes, sprinkles are dumped through a simple paper funnel. This machine also uses lighting to illuminate the process on the inside. Without payment, the knob is locked. Other coins like pennies, nickels, and dimes are all rejected. Once a quarter is inserted, the knob unlocks and allows you to sprinkle the donut. The other knob rotates the donut around while dispensing sprinkles on top of it. Once you've received your donut, move the knob back the other way to reset the machine. Let's buy another donut, but this time we are going to show how the machine actually works inside. Once a coin is inserted, the white beam lifts up and moves over, dropping the coin down, along with dispensing the donut onto the platform. The sprinkle mechanism is directly connected to the knob. It turns a barrel that has sprinkles inside of it. Once reset, the other sprinkles on top of the barrel can drop into it, ready for another donut. Any sprinkles that do not land on the donut are caught in a collection tray. It can be removed and the other sprinkles can be disposed of. Once a donut is bought, the quarter goes into the coin bank. For the owner to access it, you must pull on the tan trim part, revealing the coins. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It's free.